Indoor cycling or treadmill, which machine torches more calories? Stick around, because by the end we'll help you pick the perfect cardio for your weight loss goals. First up, calorie burn. On average, a 70 kilograms pedals at moderate intensity, burning around 500 kilograms hour, while jogging on a treadmill at 6 miles per hour, about 700 kilograms hour. But here's the catch: intensity is king. Push harder on the bike, and you'll close that gap fast. Next, joint stress. Treadmills deliver a higher impact workout each. Foot strike can jolt your knees and ankles. Indoor cycling is low impact, making it ideal if you're recovering from injury or simply prefer a gentler ride. Next, muscle engagement. Cycling primarily targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, while treadmills engage your quads and calves plus a bit more core and hip flexors for balance. If you want serious leg sculpting, the bike wins. For full body stability, the treadmill edges out. High intensity interval training or HIIT is huge for fat loss. Both machines let you swap easy and hard intervals, but bikes allow faster intensity shifts, just crank resistance. On a treadmill, you need to adjust speed or incline, which can take more time. 5. Calorie tracking accuracy. How accurate are their calorie counters? Neither is perfect. Treadmills often overestimate by up to 15%. Many bikes are slightly more conservative. For best results, pair with a heart rate monitor or fitness tracker. 6. Convenience and space. Space at home matters. Foldable treadmills can be bulky, while spin bikes tend to have a smaller footprint. If apartment living is your jam, a compact bike may fit more easily in your corner gym. 7. Cost and maintenance. Budget check. Entry-level spin bikes start around $300, while decent treadmills often run $800 plus. Maintenance is similar: occasional belt lubing for bikes versus belt tension adjustments. On treadmill, so consider both purchase price and upkeep. 8. Motivation and variety. Sticking with workouts comes down to enjoyment. Treadmills let you simulate outdoor runs with built-in programs. Bikes often hook up to immersive apps like Zwift. Pick the one that keeps you coming back day after day. 9. Safety considerations. Falling is a risk on both. Slipping on pedals or misstepping on a moving belt can lead to injury. Always clip in on spin bikes and place a safety clip on your treadmill. Equipment familiarity is essential. 10. Which one to choose? So, which wins for weight loss? If you crave high calorie burn and don't mind impact, treadmill's your friend. If you need low impact, leg focused sessions with quick intensity changes, choose a bike. Ultimately, the best machine is the one you'll actually use consistently. Like and subscribe the channel, press the notification bell, and lastly, drop your comments below